topic for today is all about linear equations in two variables. So first, let us define linear equations. So when we say linear equations, it is an equation wherein the highest degree of the variable is 1. Okay. So basically, hindi pwedeng maging squared or cube yung mga variable. And of course, two variables, so therefore we're going to use x and y. Okay. So first, I have here equations. I-check natin kung example sila ng linear equation in two variables or hindi. First one, 3x plus 4y squared equals 5. Okay. So this is not an example of linear equations in two variables. Why? Kasi naka-squared si y. Okay. Next, 6x minus y equals negative 4. Okay, so this is an example of linear equations in two variables. Okay, your two variables is x and y. Then linear equations sila dahil highest degree is 1. Both exponents are 1. Next, 3 over x plus 2y equals 8. Again, this is not an example of linear equations in two variables. Kasi, bawal magkaroon ng variable sa denominator. Okay, once na merong variable sa denominator, hindi na siya linear equation. Okay, kasi parang negative na exponent niya. Number 4, 5x raised to negative 1 plus 6 equals 7y. Again, this is not an example of linear equation kasi merong negative exponent. Fifth, 2y plus 2y equals 9 plus x. So this is an example of linear equations in two variables. Last, so xy equals 10. The last one, again, is not an example of linear equation in two variables. Kasi, si x and y ay nasa isang term lang. And, kapag kinuha mo yung degree, 2 yung degree niyan. Okay? So, ayun, ganito malalaman kung ma-identify kung paano magiging linear equations in two variables yung given na equations. Okay? Ang lagi lang tatandaan, dapat yung exponent ni x and y ay laging 1 lang. Okay? Bawal magkaroon ng squared ng exponent na more than 1. Hindi pwedeng nasa denominator yung variable. Bawal magkaroon ng negative exponent. At hindi pwedeng magkasama yung variable sa isang term. After discussing the linear equations in two variables, we will now transform the linear equation in its standard form or general equation. Okay, so the standard form of a line is ax plus by equals c, wherein a, b, and c represents numbers. So, mga numbers talaga yan, a, b, and c. Okay, wherein a is the numerical coefficient of x, b is the numerical coefficient of y, and c is the constant. Okay? So, sa standard form of a line, meron din tayong mga restrictions. Okay? First one, variables must be on the left side of the equation and constant must be on the right side of the equation. So, basically, si x and y magkasama sa isang side, sa left side ng equation, then yung constant nakahiwalay. Nandun siya sa right side ng equation. Okay, nalilito, simply, si x and y nandun sa left side ng equal sign, si constant nandun sa right side ng equal sign. And of course, lagi mauna si x bago si y. Next one, x must not be negative. Okay, so kapag negative pa yung numerical coefficient ni x, gagawin mo siyang positive. Okay, madali lang naman yun. Simply multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. And last one, the numerical coefficient of x and y must not be fractions. So, kapag fraction pa yung numerical coefficient ng variable, i-transform pa natin yon. Okay. So, ayun lang yung mga restriction. Again, lagi lang tandaan, magkasama sa left side si x and y, mauna lagi si x, bawal siyang maging negative. Then, nasa right side naman si constant.